Hello everyone and welcome to this new Wix tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how you can make an image fade in your Wix Studio. For that, first thing first, what you need to do is go to yourwix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, a Google account or maybe an email account. After that, it is going to direct you to your dashboard this way. And here you are going to create a new site by clicking on this option of create new site. If you don't have any, you see I don't have any, so I'm going to go click on this create new site. And this is the type of the website that must appear on your screen. Now you see this is a simple website. I want to add the scrolling effect right here. For that, fading effect right here. For that, let's just say I go to this add elements and I want to add an image. For that, you can actually choose any image from Wix, or you can also choose one from your gallery. And let's just say this is my image. You see here this is the option of animation and effect. You go click on this and this is the default fading effect. You can edit this, or you could also go to this option of scroll right here and you see there are options for turning, tilting and fading. I'm going to click on this fade option and you are going to click on this customize in order to make sure whether you want an animation type to be in or out. Let's just say I want it to be out. So I'm going to click on this in preview on scroll. Okay, so yeah. Now what I'm going to do is go to this preview option right here. When I click on this preview option, it is probably going to fade the images. You see, this is how the image is going to fade when I scroll it up. So this is pretty much it for this video. After back to the editor, you can still make any changes. If you want to stretch the image to the entire length and scroll it, you can also do this. If you don't like this image, you can edit the image, you can also change it. And if you want any more other animation, you can also do that. So going to the animation, going to the scroll effect, and if you're satisfied with your changes, you can save it, preview it, or publish it. So you can customize the animation further to fit your style, design, and site style. Preview and simple publish it. Fade in effect is live. So yeah. This is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.